si Len Dragon, ang baing dragon na di bumubuga ng apoy. At narito tayo para batiin ng Happy New Year and Happy birthday. Walang iba kundi ang ating Anita Carriaga or si Ate Nets kung tawagin. So to you Ate Nets, I know that you have been so busy during this 2023 at dahil nga binless siya ni Lord na siya na yung magpala ng dating pwesto ng kanyang boss dito sa Hong Kong. So sobrang busy na siya sa business and para mas lalo maging prosperous ang kanyang New Year. So thank you Ate Nets for being sponsor kadalasan sa ating mga naging paayuda during the past few years, and may the Lord always give you good health, ayan, long life, and thank you para sa lahat ng tulong at pagiging channel member at sponsor sa aking YouTube channel. Ayan. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Len Dragon, ang babaeng dragon na di bumubura po. Sing, I love you all from the bottom of my heart and my balbalunan. God bless us all. Mwah! Chup chup! Bye-bye!